Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a new spread in my Dina Wakley Media Journal using our brand new stamps. They are available now in the Rubber Dance online shop for pre-order and they are 10% off. So maybe you would like to have a look on our new sets. You will find a link in the description box. I have gessoed my page first, of course, and I'm adding in some golden fluid acrylics. I'm going for some complementary colors today, so I'm adding in some blues. I'm using a light blue that I've mixed with white and a green turquoise, and I will also add in some Prussian blue. While I'm applying the paints with my fingers, I try to get a circular shape. I love to do this recently to create my pages because it's a very easy way to create a beautiful layout. When you're done with the background, you can arrange your stamping and your focal images around your circle. I add in some white gesso again for a higher contrast. I add some stenciling with the light blue color and a stencil from Stamplorations. I wanted to let drip down the blue color also, but while spraying at my page, I get a lot of blue sprinkles at the white areas, and I'm using a baby wipe to wipe them away. I use my black watercolor pencil. It's a Jumbo from Faber-Castell. I really love this pencil because it works wonderful when you dip the nib into water, and I add some grungy lines to define my circle. I'm bringing some white back again onto my page. Adding these many layers will create a lot of depth to your project. Now it's finally time to bring in some stamps. I'm working with some of our Doodle borders. I believe it's the number 2 set. and I just stamp the images randomly, and I'm using StazOn Ink because of the acrylic paint. It dries the best. I have not mounted these stamps to any kind of cling cushion because I love to stamp them randomly to my project and also bring them a little bit in shape, and that's very much easier without having any cushion on the back side, so I can arrange this leafy border in the circular motion on my page. For stamping a perfect border, I can mount the stamp to an acrylic block by just wiping it with a wet baby wipe. I also wipe the clear block with a wet wipe, so the stamp will cling automatically. If this doesn't work, you can simply use a glue stick and stick it down to an acrylic block. You can wipe away the rest of the glue with a baby wipe. I have stamped our textured sea creatures to watercolor paper, and now I'm coloring in the seahorses, one of the big ones and the small one, with the Inktense pencils. I'm working with the ARTEZA watercolor paper, and I'm using the back side of it because it has no texture and it's perfect for stamping. And I'm also using the water brushes, and I really love the water brushes. They are wonderful. They don't soak up any dirty water, and the small nib of the blue ones are perfect to color in stamp images. In addition to the seahorses, I also color in two of the cent dollars. When everything is dry, I glue down my focal images. I'm arranging the cent dollars behind the small seahorse. I left a small white border all around my cutout images. This lets them pop even more from the background. Finally, I want to stamp the cent dollars also to the background, and you see that I'm mounting the stamp directly to the acrylic block. Because of the StazOn ink and the acrylic paint on the paper, the stamp sticks to the page a little, so it comes off my clear block, but that doesn't matter. To finish up the page, I've added the word free from our Mix a Sentiment stamp set to the left side on the page. And that's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it and we see you soon. Bye!